Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the familiar faces of YouTube creators? In the ever-evolving landscape of online content, faceless YouTube channels are carving out a unique niche. These channels prioritize content over personality, offering a different kind of engagement with the audience. As we look ahead to 2024, the trend of faceless YouTube channels is expected to gain even more traction, providing creators with a platform to showcase their creativity while maintaining a sense of anonymity. Let's dive into the fascinating world of faceless YouTube channels and explore 10 in-depth ideas that are set to captivate viewers in 2024. ASMR ambience. Have you ever found yourself mesmerized by the gentle rustling of leaves or the soothing sound of rain? ASMR videos have gained immense popularity for their ability to induce relaxation and tingling sensations. A faceless ASMR channel could take this concept to the next level, focusing on ambient sounds and visuals to create a calming audio-visual experience for viewers. From soft whispers to gentle tapping, this channel could offer a sanctuary of peace and tranquility in the digital world. DIY crafts. Have you ever wanted to unleash your creativity but felt intimidated by the spotlight? A faceless DIY crafts channel could be the answer. This channel could offer a wide range of tutorials, from simple home decor projects to intricate handmade gifts, all without the need for a host's face. By focusing on the step-by-step process and final results, this channel could inspire viewers to get crafty and explore their artistic side. Cooking without a face. Cooking channels are a staple of YouTube, but a faceless cooking channel could offer a fresh perspective. Have you ever been captivated by the artistry of cooking, from the sizzle of ingredients in a pan to the final presentation of a dish? This channel could focus on the preparation, cooking techniques, and plating of dishes, inviting viewers to embark on a culinary journey without the need for a host's face. Mystery narrations. Have you ever been enthralled by a spooky story or a puzzling mystery? A faceless channel dedicated to narrating mysteries and urban legends could tap into this fascination. Using voice modulation and compelling visuals, this channel could create an immersive storytelling experience, keeping viewers on the edge of their seats with tales of suspense and intrigue. Educational animations. Have you ever struggled to understand a complex concept? A faceless educational animations channel could use the power of animation to make learning fun and accessible. From science and history to mathematics and literature, this channel could cover a wide range of topics, breaking down complex ideas into bite-sized, easy-to-understand animations. Travel vlogs. Have you ever dreamed of exploring far-off lands and exotic locales? A faceless travel vlog could take you on a virtual adventure around the world. This channel could focus on the destinations, attractions, and cultural experiences, offering a window into different cultures and landscapes without the need for a host's face. Nature documentaries. Have you ever marveled at the wonders of the natural world? A faceless nature documentaries channel could showcase the beauty and diversity of nature. Using stunning footage and expert narration, this channel could explore wildlife, environmental conservation, and the importance of protecting our planet, educating and inspiring viewers along the way. Art and drawing tutorials. Have you ever been inspired to create art but didn't know where to start? A faceless art and drawing tutorials channel could be your guide. This channel could offer step-by-step tutorials on drawing, painting, and other art forms, focusing on techniques and processes to help viewers develop their skills and unleash their creativity. Gaming commentary. Have you ever been engrossed in a video game and wanted to share your experience with others? A faceless gaming commentary channel could provide insightful commentary and reviews without the need for a host's face. This channel could focus on gameplay, strategies, and entertaining commentary, engaging gamers and building a community around shared gaming experiences. Music production. Have you ever been fascinated by the magic of music production? A faceless music production channel could offer a behind-the-scenes look at the creative process. From composing and recording to editing and mixing, this channel could showcase musical talents and techniques, inspiring aspiring musicians and music enthusiasts alike. In conclusion, we've explored a variety of intriguing faceless YouTube ideas that can help you create unique and engaging content without showing your face. Whether you're interested in gaming, tutorials, or storytelling, there's a niche for everyone. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is finding your passion and sharing it with the world. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and try new things. With dedication and creativity, you can build a successful channel that resonates with viewers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel 10 Mins Info for more tips and tricks on content creation and other inspirational video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.